So we're here with three lovely ladies from England. If you guys don't know these ladies, they have been gracing Ola Tunji's stage. These are Ola's new dancers. I'm telling you, they are hot, they are fabulous. I've seen you guys live already. You guys are amazing. I'm watching Ola, I'm like, who are these girls? How are you guys doing?
We're fine. We're really enjoying ourselves tonight.
It's great. We're having a blast.
Your first time in Trinidad?
For us two,
yeah.
My second time here.
So I'm guessing the first time was amazing. You had to come back a second
I had to
time.
definitely come back and bring these two along.
Okay. So how did this collaboration come up? Did Ola Tunji approach you? How did this happen?
Well, what happened was, obviously, me and my sister, we're actually soca artists in the UK. So we've won like the Soca Monarch there, and we love our soca music, we love our Caribbean culture and heritage. So we started up a group and we made our own dance group. They used to back in dance for us when we used to sing, and then our dance group got so much attention that they started to get their own bookings and their own platform. So we started to release YouTube dance videos, and we done an Ola Tunji one to Ola, and then from there it was history really.
So this was just the other day that he just, made contact.
Yeah.
We released the video in early December, and it was one of those things, we weren't even going to do the video. We were like, oh, we haven't got time, Christmas is coming up, but we made it happen, and the results have been so amazing. So we're happy that we did it.
So how is, you guys building up a really great success, I'm assuming, in England, right?
Sorry, what did you say?
You guys are making a big splash in England, right?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
And we're like, in the UK, there's not very many soca dance groups, so we're like the only main soca dance group in the UK, so we're doing well in that aspect.
So while you guys are dancing with Ola, is this a seasonal thing? I know you guys have your own thing going on, but will you guys be balancing between Ola in Trinidad and your own dance group in the UK?
Well, obviously we're going to go back to the UK, but we will still be working with Ola for future shows, and hopefully the collaboration continues to work. Yeah, and we'll continue to do our stuff in the UK, pushing soca music, pushing Caribbean culture. So
You're doing a great job so far.
Yeah, thank you so much.
So have you guys performed this yet? Are you about to perform? What's happening?
We're performing a little later, but yeah.
So you guys, I'm just gonna let you guys, gear up and prep and that kind of thing and mash up the stage. You guys, if you haven't seen them as yet, you're missing out. They are amazing. All right, so thanks so much for your time, and we'll let you guys practice. All right, rehearse.
All right.